Mosaic wood wall art is a captivating form of decor that transforms simple wooden pieces into stunning visual masterpieces. This art form marries the organic beauty of wood with the intricate designs of mosaic techniques, resulting in pieces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also rich in texture and depth. The allure of mosaic wood wall art lies in its ability to convey emotion and tell stories through the careful arrangement of colors, shapes, and patterns. The beauty of wood, as a medium, carries with it a unique charm that no other material can replicate. Each piece of wood has its own grain, color, and character, making every artwork one of a kind. The natural variations in wood, from the deep browns of walnut to the light hues of maple, create a dynamic palette that artists can play with. When these wooden pieces are cut, shaped, and arranged into a mosaic, they form a tapestry of nature's artistry. The tactile quality of wood enhances the visual experience. Viewers are often drawn to touch the surface of mosaic wood art, feeling the smoothness of polished edges and the roughness of raw wood. This interaction invites a deeper connection between the observer and the artwork, making it not just a visual experience but a sensory one as well. The art of mosaic. Mosaic art has a rich history that dates back to ancient civilizations. Initially crafted from small pieces of stone or glass, mosaics were used to decorate floors, walls, and ceilings in temples and public buildings. Today, this ancient technique has evolved to include various materials, including wood. The process of a mosaic involves meticulous planning and skillful execution. Artists begin by conceptualizing their design, often inspired by nature, abstract forms, or cultural symbols. Once the design is finalized, they select pieces of wood in different shapes and sizes, each chosen for its color and texture. The arrangement of these pieces is crucial. It requires an eye for balance and harmony to ensure that the final piece resonates with the intended emotion. Designing mosaic wood wall art. The design process for mosaic wood wall art is both creative and technical. Artists often start with sketches that outline their vision. These sketches serve as blueprints for the final piece, guiding the arrangement of wooden fragments. When designing a sunrise-themed mosaic, for example, an artist might choose warm colors like oranges, yellows, and reds to represent the sun as it rises above the horizon. Color theory plays a significant role in this process. Artists consider how different colors interact with one another. Complementary colors can create vibrancy and energy, while analogous colors can evoke tranquility and harmony. The choice of wood types also influences the overall aesthetic. Darker woods can add depth while lighter woods can brighten the composition. The creation process. Creating mosaic wood wall art is a labor-intensive process that requires patience and precision. It begins with selecting high-quality wood. Artists often source their materials from sustainable suppliers to ensure eco-friendliness. Once the wood is acquired, it is cut into various shapes, squares, triangles, and organic forms, depending on the design. The assembly phase involves placing each piece onto a backing material, often plywood or canvas. This step requires careful consideration of spacing and alignment to achieve the desired visual effect. Adhesives are used to secure each piece in place, ensuring durability.